Hello and welcome back to Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix music that isn't available in your region on Instagram. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Instagram Music is basically a story sticker that allows you to add music on an Instagram story while browsing through someone else's story. You might have come across stories with music and the notification that the Instagram music is not available in your region. It is because the platform is yet to get the music license for your region. In order to fix that issue, the first thing you can do is go and install a free VPN on your device. Go to your Play Store or your App Store and type in free VPN in the search box, and let me select this one right here and simply download the VPN on your device. Once you install the VPN, simply go open the VPN and connect to a server of the US or UK or Canada or any other country where Instagram music is available. Once you're connected to the VPN, go back to Instagram and tap it on. Make sure that the VPN is running in the background and go to your story at the upper left in order to post a story with music and take a picture or simply upload a post. Once you do that, go to the sticker option at the top of the screen, and there you go, you'll be able to see the music sticker displayed. Tap on the music sticker and search for any music that you want. You can select the style for this sticker as well. You'll be able to post it like this on your story at the bottom of the screen. You can choose a particular part you want to play on your story, and once you do that, you'll be able to add music on the Instagram story, even if it isn't available in your region. You can see that the music is being played now. Go ahead and tap on the Done button at the upper right corner, and you are good to go that way. You can fix the music that isn't available in your region problem on Instagram. I hope you found the video useful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or feedback. I'll be back soon with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.